Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Zorin OS and Chrome OS Flex. Zorin OS and Chrome OS Flex are both lightweight operating systems, but they are designed for different types of users and purposes. Zorin OS is a Linux-based operating system built to look and feel familiar to Windows users. It comes with a clean interface but inbuilt apps like LibreOffice and supports thousands of Linux applications. You can also install software using dap packages, app images, and Flatpak. Zorin OS is great for productivity, especially if you're switching from Windows. It works offline, supports full desktop programs, and gives you more control over how your system behaves. It's also good for privacy since it doesn't collect much user data. Chrome OS Flex, on the other hand, is a cloud-first system made by Google. It runs well on older hardware and is designed mainly for web-based tasks. It boosts fast, syncs everything with your Google account, and works best when you're online. Most apps are web apps, and it doesn't support Android or Linux apps like regular Chrome OS. It's very simple and secure, but it's limited when it comes to advanced desktop software. So overall, Zorin OS is better if you want a full-featured desktop experience, offline work, or need to install software like a traditional computer. Chrome OS Flex is better if you mainly use web apps, want something fast and secure for basic tasks, or have an old computer or just need it for browsing, email, and cloud work. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.